Want to see some science magic? Let's make pepper dance away with just soap and water. Ready? Let's try it. You'll need a bowl of water. Step 1. Fill a bowl with water. Step 2. Sprinkle ground pepper. Watch it float. See how the pepper stays on top? That's surface tension at work. You'll also need a little dish soap. Okay, all set. Ready for the trick? Dip your finger in soap. Now touch the center of the water. Watch. Whoa, see how it zooms away? Cool. Soap reduces surface tension. It breaks the water's skin. When the skin breaks, the pepper rides the flow to the edges. That rushing motion is the water pulling away, and the pepper goes with it. So simple science makes a fun magic trick. Cool, right? Try it at home and wow your friends. And if you love simple science experiments, hit subscribe and join Mini Mind Bites for more fun discoveries. See you next time.